Whenever a prisoner is admitted into prison, he shall be searched, and all weapons and prohibited articles shall be taken from him. Full stop. Every criminal prisoner shall also, as soon as possible after admission, be examined under the general or special orders of the medical officer, who shall enter or cause to be entered in a book, to be kept by the jailer, a record of the state of the prisoner's health, and of any wounds or marks on his person, the class of labor he is fit for, if sentenced to rigorous imprisonment, and any observations which the medical officer thinks fit to add, full stop, in the cause of female prisoners. The search and examination shall be carried out by the matron under the general or special orders of the medical officer, full stop. All money or other articles in respect whereof no order of a competent court has been made, and which may with proper authority be brought into the prison by any criminal prisoner or sent to the prison for his use, shall be placed in the custody of the jailer, full stop. All prisoners, previously to being removed to any other prison, shall be examined by the medical officer, full stop. No prisoner shall be removed from one prison to another unless the medical officer certifies that the prisoner is free from any illness rendering him unfit for removal, full stop. No prisoner shall be discharged against his will from prison, if laboring under any acute or dangerous distemper, nor until, in the opinion of the medical officer, such discharge is safe, full stop. The requisitions of this act with respect to the separation of prisoners are as follows. 1. In a prison containing female as well as male prisoners, the females shall be imprisoned in separate buildings, or separate parts of the same building, in such manner as to prevent their seeing, or conversing or holding any intercourse with the male prisoners. 2. In a prison where male prisoners under the age of 21 are confined, means shall be provided for separating them altogether from the other prisoners, and for separating those of them who have arrived at the age of puberty from those who have not. Unconvinced criminal prisoners shall be kept apart from convicted criminal prisoners, and civil prisoners shall be kept apart from criminal prisoners, full stop, subject to the requirements of the last foregoing section, convicted criminal prisoners may be confined in association or individually in cells, or partly in one way and partly in the other, full stop. No cell shall be used for solitary confinement unless it is furnished with the means of enabling the prisoner to communicate at any time with an officer of the prison, comma, and every prisoner so confined in a cell for more than 24 hours, comma, whether as a punishment or otherwise, comma, shall be visited at least once a day by the medical officer or medical subordinate, full stop. Every prisoner under sentence of death shall, comma, immediately on his arrival in the prison after sentence, comma, be searched by, comma, or by order of, comma, the jailer, and all articles shall be kept from him which the jailer deems it dangerous or inexpedient to leave in his possession, full stop. Every such prisoner shall be confined in a cell apart from all other prisoners, comma, and shall be placed, comma, by day and by night, comma, under the charge of a guard, full stop.